Right, I'm sure everybody that owns a Cayenne has had this problem where this chrome piece pops off. And what happens is this back piece here that holds it in place breaks, and then that piece comes loose. So this time, and hopefully it doesn't show up as much. It looks like some of that glue is coming through, but I don't know if it'll show up. It's got a light on it. But anyway, what I did was, hopefully you can see it. I put a glob of that down, of glue, underneath the chrome piece, and then I used this Cubon, which you use super glue. I've cinched right up they gave me, Cubon. I've used Loctite, and then you select a color, which I don't know what it's made out of. A lot of people think it's baking soda, and then you put glue on top of it, and that's what it looks like. I'm hoping it's going to hold together. It definitely gets stronger, and I think that glue on the edge of those will not show up when it's in the dark. It's lit up right now. But hopefully that'll work out. It might help you from having to buy a new one. And the install is pretty simple. Maybe I'll show a video. Basically just rip it out and snap it back in. But I'll have a video of that happen here shortly. All right, so there it is. I just popped it out of there, line it up pretty much, and then, if I remember right, just pop it in, and should be good to go. I don't think it's sticking up too much, meaning that maybe I put too much glue on it, but it looks fine. Snapped right in. Good to go.
As always, please subscribe.